Hello, welcome to Chemistry Works. Today in this video I will discuss McLaughlin rearrangement. The McLaughlin rearrangement is a very important in a mass spectrometry. So the rearrangement involving migration of hydrogen atom in molecule containing heteroatom are very common, and the best example is the McLaughlin rearrangement. So McLaughlin rearrangement हेबा पाई the molecule must possess an appropriately located heteroatom. So heteroatom पहले that is oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, or a pi system that may be a double bond or benzene ring, aromatic ring, okay, and an abstractable hydrogen gamma to the carbon oxygen double bond or carbon carbon double bond. So gamma hydrogen कितना दरकार आउ गोटे हेटेरोएटम भी appropriately located कितना दरकार in order to get a McLaughlin rearrangement. Okay. So the McLaughlin rearrangement को हमें simplify करेगा ताहले that in gamma hydrogen transfer followed by alpha fission. हमें alpha fission previous video रे discussion करके ले. So इटी कौन होची ना प्रथमे gamma hydrogen transfer होगो आउ ता परे alpha fission होगो. So ये जो McLaughlin rearrangement that is called MR shortly ताहले जदि गोटे कंपाउंड रे कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड अछि एथाय बा कीटोन अल्डिहाइड अल्कोहल और अल्कीन ईस्टर नाइट्राइल अमाइड ताहले ए सब फंक्शनल ग्रुप थिले से कंपाउंड रे जदि गामा हाइड्रोजन थिबो ताहले McLaughlin rearrangement हबो. सो ए जो rearrangement होछि that account for prominent characteristic in the mass spectra and very much useful. So prominent characteristic it is in most of the cases the MR ion peak, that is McLaughlin rearrangement ion peak is the base peak, and further the rearrangement होछि that occurs through formation of a 6-member transition state. So प्रथमे गोटे 6-member transition state होबो. So 6-member transition state रे हला परे हाइड्रोजन एटम ट्रांसफर करिवो, then alpha cleavage होबो. So this you will see in different examples, and the functional group को is functional group is को जो कार्बन लाइन थी वो देखै छै अल्फा कार्बन आउ अल्फा कार्बन को जो कार्बन लाइन थी देखै बीटा कार्बन. So this is the carboxylic acid group, functional group. So this is the alpha carbon, this is beta carbon, and this is gamma carbon. And the gamma carbon को जो हाइड्रोजन लाइन थी that is the gamma hydrogen. So here there are 3 gamma hydrogens. So in this compound oxygen have a lone pair of electrons. So lone pair of electron or non-bonding electron जता अछि सेटा ionize प्रथम हबो. so किछि ionize हेले you will get a molecular ion of this type. So molecular ion हला परे एठी गोटे 6-member transition state formation हबो. ए जो partial bond हबो हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन भितर तले एठी forms a 6-member ring. So 6-member rings are very stable. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it is a 6-member ring. So 6-member ring hela pore kon hobo na transfer of gamma hydrogen. A hydrogen transfer karibo iti with its electron. So eta bole iti asibo tan kon hobo iti tar weight he gala. So followed by alpha क्लीवेज अल्फा फिशन सो ये जो अल्फा बॉन्ड रही ये अल्फा बॉन्ड रू गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन ये शिफ्ट कर सो ये ऑलरेडी ये कार्बन ऊपर गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अच्छी आ गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन आसला एक गोटे डबल बॉन्ड हम एंड यू विल गेट the CH2 double bond CH2 this is the neutral fragment and एठी रहिला हमर गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन रहिला एठी ए कार्बन ऊपर अल्फा कार्बन ऊपर गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि सो ए डबल बॉन्ड रू गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन एठी माइग्रेट करिवो माइग्रेट कले here you will get the double bond so you will get this ion this is double bond so it gote electron rahila that is here located here so this ion is called Mr ion and its M by E value is 60 so this is the base peak okay so let us take another example say this is the ketone so the ketone like amar ethi semte tar dita lone pair electron ache ethi hi ionize karibo tebale gote electron move karibo ethi kale move karibo ethi ionize kala ethi 6 member ring formation habo 6 member ring formation hala pore again this will migrate in this direction so this will migrate in this direction and so this so you will get this is the Mr ion okay McLaughlin rearrangement ion and its M by E ratio is 58 so this is characteristics of ketone having gamma hydrogen okay so in this way we are getting different stable products so let us take another example that is aldehyde जदि हमर aldehyde अछि ए केस रे हम देखिबा so this is alpha beta and this is gamma okay so this is gamma hydrogen it prathame gote electron remove hobo as a result of ionization so dot plus then this 6 member transition ring will form here and followed by hydrogen ion transfer okay then the alpha cleavage okay so you will get this is the Mr ion okay so जो M by E ratio is equal to 44 so M by E ratio 44 is the characteristics of this ion and this confirms the presence of aldehyde group and also the gamma hydrogen okay so the next example we are taking the aromatic and the aromatic substituted ketone okay so ethi amar rahichi duiti lone pair of electron jodi ionize hobo tahala amar ethu plus charge develop karibo so this is alpha beta and gamma so here it is the gamma hydrogen achi so gamma hydrogen thile amar ethu prathame one transition state formation hala 1 2 3 4 5 6 member transition state then this will break in this direction then the alpha bond this will break in this direction and this will move in this direction what a single electron move karibo so you will get a neutral fragment this one and the Mr ion that is this one so again this confirms that it is a ketone okay because previously we have already seen that Mr ion the M by E ratio what a pouch ame 50 re and that is also the base P it is quite stable and its relative abundance is very high okay so now let us take this example of alcohol where the heteroatom is oxygen and here there is a lone pair of electron. So that ionization hobo, it formation of positive charge. So this is the functional group pairing carbon atom. So this is alpha, beta, gamma. So this is gamma hydrogen. So gamma hydrogen is the transition state, then followed by the migration of hydrogen and alpha cleavage. Okay. So the alpha cleavage is number 81. So we are getting the water molecule what about it. So it has water molecule by the H2O, CH, CH3, CH2. Okay. So this is our plus right. Jadi our it dot right. So this migrates in this direction. So we get a double bond, that is CH2 double bond CH2. Okay. So if a bond migrate here it will develop a positive charge. Okay. So this positive charge will develop and it is CH3 CH plus CH2 it is single electron right. Okay. So we can also represent this as CH3 CH single bond CH2 plus dot. Okay. So in this way this can be represented. So in case of alcohol there is the elimination of water molecule after the hydrogen ion rearrangement followed by alpha fissure. Okay. So in the next example, say this is the aromatic compound. Okay. So in this aromatic compound, ionization hobo. So ionization हेले कि हमारा double bond की break करेगी हमको double plus and dot. So this is the alpha, beta, gamma. Alpha, beta, gamma hydrogen is there. So gamma hydrogen जब अच्छी ताहले इटी gamma hydrogen will form the transition state here, followed by the transfer of hydrogen atom. Then हमारे इटी जो alpha bond रही ये alpha bond इटी break करेगा. So we will get a ion like this CH2. इटी हमारा plus थिला. Okay. So it hydrogen is like and this fragment को जाओगे as the neutral molecule CH2 double bond CH3. Okay, neutral fragment ये टाइप वाला. So इटे हमारा रही plus आउ इटे रहेगा bond रहेगा. इटे गोटे plus इटे गोटे 3 electron रही. So we will get this type of ion. So ये जो ion है हमें पाइले ताले यार कौन हो ना M/E ratio होची 92. Okay. So here there is another possibility that ये जो ion formation होची तभी हमारो gamma hydrogen transfer न होए कि break करेगा ताले you will get the break करे alpha cleavage में ताले you will get separately that is double bond CH2 plus so benzene carbocation its M/E ratio is 91. So this we have already discussed in the alpha fission and how it will lead to the formation of tropylium ion and subsequently cyclopentadiene. Okay, so in next case, that is the alkene. So this is the double bond. So this is the alpha, beta, gamma. So ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମର ଆୟୋନାଇଜେସନ ହେବ, ଆୟୋନାଇଜେସନ ହେଲେ এই जो डबल बॉन्ड के ब्रेक କରିକି ଏଠି ହେବ ଆମର ପ୍ଲସ୍ ଡଟ୍ एंड प्लस वाटर फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ଗୋଟେ इलेक्ट्रॉन रिमूव କରିବ. So this will form the transition state followed by the migration of hydrogen atom and alpha fission. ଯଦି alpha fission ହେବ ତାହେଲେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଲେ କି CH3 ଏଠି ଯୋଉଟା ଥିଲା दुईटी हाइड्रोजन थिला गोटे आसला पर CH3 हला. ओके, सो ए फ्रैगमेंट पे हम पाए डबल बॉन्ड हमर एठी पॉजिटिव चार्ज अछि आ गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन अछि CH3. ओके, सो दिस आयन, सो m/e रेशियो जब 42 होछि ताहले वी कैन रिज्यूम रिवर्स मास स्पेक्ट्रम जब हम पाउछे गोटे MR पीक पाउछे base peak pouch of 42 rays, very stable peak, and we may presume that this is a alkene having gamma hydrogen. Okay, so next one is your ester. If ester is there, this will also give you the McLaughlin rearrangement. So this is the functional group and this is alpha, beta, gamma. So this is gamma hydrogen. So lone pair from the oxygen is ionized to give you this O plus dot, and this forms the transition state, then migration of hydrogen atom followed by alpha fission. Okay, so we get a intermediate structure like this. Okay, so here it is free electron. So if this bond will migrate in this direction and if you want electron ये bond migrate करिवो ताहले you will get this one. Okay, so ये जो ion पाइले, so this is also called the MR ion and its m/e ratio is 74. So m/e ratio is 74 पाइबा ताहले and this is the base peak ताहले हम कहबा compound रे गोटे कंपाउंड के गोटे एस्टर एंड मिथाइल एस्टर. ओके, सो दिस इज मिथाइल एस्टर. मिथाइल एस्टर हे थांता ताहले हमें सेतिरे आवरी 12 यूनिट ऐड करबा 86 रे हमें तार पीक पाई था. सो ऑलरेडी वी हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड दिस एग्जांपल इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो एंड इन दिस वीडियो. नाउ वी विल कम टू द nitride. If there is a nitride, so this is the functional group and this is alpha, beta, and this is gamma. So there is a gamma hydrogen. So इथे हमर lone pair रही nitrogen ऊपर, nitrogen रो ही lone pair remove होबो as हमर ionization. So here it will develop plus one dot. So this gamma hydrogen जो रही से gamma hydrogen इथे migrate करिवो. So you will get this structure. Okay, so ये जो structure पाइले इठी हमर alpha fission होबो. So this is alpha and beta. So ये जो bond अछि इठी गोटे इठी के migrate कला तो हम पाइले इठी CH2 double bond CH2 and we are getting this cation. So this is the MR ion. Okay, this is MR ion and its m/e ratio will be okay, 14, 12, 26, 15, 41. Okay, 41. So the m/e ratio pouche 41 right? ताले you can say the compound may be a nitride having gamma hydrogen. Okay, so in the another example say there is amide So in case of amide, there is a lone pair of electron on oxygen and on nitrogen. So nitrogen oxygen so there is a probability of ionization of the oxygen atom and also the nitrogen. Nitrogen to ionization नहीं पारे, oxygen नहीं पारे. तो जो oxygen रो इठी हमरो ionize करिछि, ताहले हमें कौन पाएगा? So एटा हला हमरो 6 member transition state, इठी positive charge develop करेबो and this will move to this. So this is alpha, beta, gamma. So a bond rule हमरो इठी के आसीबो. So we will get and ये जो bond rule मोटे electron इठी के आसीबो. So we will get this H2N double bond C double bond OH H2. Okay. So ये प्रकार आयन पाइले हमर देखि के एस डबल बॉन्ड हे जिवो एठी हमर कहइबो एठी हमर मोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन आसी जाय. ओके. सो यार मास केते हबो? दैट विल बी 17 plus 14 to 16 33 45 and this is 14. So 59. Okay, M by E 59 is the characteristics of this amide. Okay, and when the oxygen atom is ionized, so we have another probability that this nitrogen atom may get ionized. Okay, so that structure will be in this form. So this is the nitrogen atom gets ionized. Either electron to removal of electron. So it will be gamma hydrogen also. Gamma hydrogen it will transfer to the so gamma hydrogen transfer hobo by it हमरो ए जो बॉन्ड अछि एटा ब्रेक करे. जदि ये बॉन्ड की गामा एंड दिस इज ए डेल्टा बॉन्ड. ओके. So this is gamma, beta and alpha. Okay, so if the delta and gamma bond which break करे alpha free radical बाहर ताले कौन हो ना ये cyclic structure, cyclic cation and its M by E value is 86. Okay, तो ये bond की break करे. जदि हमारा gamma hydrogen transfer करिवो, gamma hydrogen transfer न करी भी करी न पारे alpha cleavage हे गला ताले कौन हो इठो हमरो एठी केस है. तो we will get a structure like this. Okay, so this fragment you will get it directly the alpha fragment without gamma hydrogen transfer. So gamma hydrogen transfer न होय जदि हैला ताहले हमर एटा पाइबा. जदि ए बॉन्ड की ब्रेक करि गला ताहले विल गेट दिस साइक्लिक आयन. जदि फर्स्ट हमर गामा हाइड्रोजन ट्रांसफर हैला परे कोन होबो सिठी अलगा प्रकार मेकानिज्म होबो. दी अमोनिया फॉर्मेशन होबो. से अमोनियाटा कोन होबो ना विल फर्स्ट रिमूव. अमोनिया रिमूव हैला परे विल गेट अदर. जदि हमर इठी सपोज आमी इठी नबा जे गामा हाइड्रोजन अछि आउ इठी गामा हाइड्रोजन ट्रांसफर हे गछि ताहले विल राइट दिस R CH2 C double bond O NH3. Okay, so NH3 हेले हमर इठी कोन रहिछि गोटे सिंगल इलेक्ट्रॉन रहिछि. सो इट विल बी गोटे इलेक्ट्रॉन माइग्रेट करबो ताले हमरो फॉर्मेशन हे जिवो R CH2 डबल बॉन्ड CH2 लिखि जिवो. तापरे एटा हमरो वाला है NH3 न्यूट्रल फ्रैगमेंट. सो here it will be plus. Okay, so we will get the Mr ion that will be CH2 dot C double bond O plus. Okay, or we can rearrange this to get CH2 or the CH2 bond dot plus C double bond. So ये जो आयन होउछि हमर केते पाइले 12 28 42 sorry 42 MI 42 रे हम गोटे and so there are so many possibility of fragmentation and rearrangement नहीं पारे नहीं पारे यदि rearrangement होछि ताले we are getting a particular type of ion. Okay, so this is about your McLafferty rearrangement. So the McLafferty rearrangement is the gamma hydrogen transfer followed by alpha fission. Okay, so other fragments are there. So I hope this video is helping you in understanding the McLafferty rearrangement. Thank you for watching.